And I, oh.
Now I was me all on my own, but you put me in my zone. I cannot leave you alone. No, I can't leave you alone. Oh, she texting your phone. She better leave you alone. This house is not happy, no, no. This house is not happy, no, no. Yeah, I pull up in a Bentley truck. Hop out flexing, bitch, what's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Janine, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review. Not really a wig review, a wig first impressions. So today I'm opening up the Vella Vella bounce bob in the color 1B, and it was only like $15 US. So let's unbox it. And I've looked at some reviews on it, and it just seems like straight out the package, it's very... Alright, you guys, so you know the drill. It comes with a little stocking cap, and it comes in a hairnet. So this wig comes with an adjustable strap, one comb in the front and one comb in the back. Alright, you guys. Oh,
And I, oh.
now oh, all right, this cannot be. Ooh, child. All right, let's see what we can do to this to like fix it. I don't even know, like, where's the front? Ooh, nah. Okay, what's going on? That was a lot. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I definitely want some hair in the front to frame my face. Okay, I think this is better. All right. Okay, off the bat. Oh, all right. I'm just not sure, like, if this is how the wig is. Okay, maybe this is how this wig is supposed to be. It's very full up there, and I feel like off the bat I need to just, I got my scissors here, and just cut this. Oh gosh. Okay, let's cut that. All right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let's try to frame our face a little bit more. So let's just go in and cut this now. Yeah. Okay, this side is giving me more fullness than this side. I'm gonna just kind of finger comb it a little bit. I don't really necessarily need it to be bigger, but okay. Let me just cut this a little bit. Child, that's why I love curly hair, because I just feel like I can just cut, and it just automatically looks better. Okay, let's see. I think I need to cut this a little bit. Okay, that a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like this wig is perfect for my beginner people, because you don't have to do a lot of stuff to it to make it look wearable and not like a wig. It is super natural, and it looks like African American hair, not my hair texture.
Wait! Wait! Wait!
But it looks like somebody's. And so I think it's perfect because, one, you have the bangs. One, you don't have to do too much customization. You know, you have to fluff it out a little bit and cut it to frame your face, but it's super cute. So this is the Vella Vella bounce bob in the color 1B. I can already tell that it's going to get frizzy like most curly hair, but I think that for $15, if it's your first wig purchase, I say go ahead and get it. It's super cute. You can look like a million, not a million bucks. Let me not play. Let me not charge y'all that much.
Guys, it was all a lie.
Period. But it is cute and it is affordable and it is really doable as a first-time wig wearer. So if you would like more wig reviews on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know down in the comments. And if you're new to the family, let me know down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more wig or hair tutorials on my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I was me all on my own, but you put me in my zone. I cannot leave you alone.